Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Wix business website with a subscription model. So for this, I am here on Wix editor. So first of all, what you need to do is move your left side and click on this plus button. As you click there, you will find multiple options. So for now, go to payments, and in payment section, we have pricing plans. Go to pricing plans, scroll down and click on add to site. As you click on add to site, it will start adding here. So here it will take almost 10 to 20 seconds, and then you will see the pricing plan will be added. So from there you can edit that pricing plan. Okay, let's see where okay, here we have the pricing plan. So now what you can do is you can edit the pricing plans from here. You can add the services that you are providing. So in this way, you can add subscription model in Wix. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.